looks so blue. All right, hi guys, thanks for tuning in to part 2 of the simple professional makeup look for pale skin. This is going to be a review and follow-up of the small makeup changes I've made gradually over the past couple weeks, and kind of just some of the comments and other things that I've gotten from them. I'm afraid I was going to release this earlier, but I had a Vegas trip that I didn't plan ahead for, and even though I brought my computer, I didn't end up doing any recording at all.
That's a bummer.
Oh well. So, sorry that this is a little later than expected, but still got it, still here, so we'll go ahead and continue. So today what I'm going to be doing is half of my face is going to be my old makeup and the other half of my face is going to be kind of the newer changes, just to kind of so you can see just side to side the differences between them both. I think they're pretty vastly different. May not be as different, but I've definitely gotten some more compliments and I just feel like more professional and cleaner, and just like I've been putting more effort into what I look like when I go into work. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my makeup, and I'll see you here in just a second. So I'm not done by any means, but I just wanted to show you guys this because I think it's a drastic difference. I know some people will be like, what? But just, this is the side that was my old makeup. This is the side that's my new foundation. As you can tell, even just the foundation that I'm using now, like, just covers up even more than the foundation I was using before. Like, I put foundation and stuff on this, you can still clearly see this guy. This guy ain't going nowhere. Like here, like I haven't even put concealer yet on these, but it's not going to take much concealer to cover this guy up, to cover these little guys up. And if you look, sorry, I have naturally dry skin, it's going to happen. But if you look closer, see how much more like rubbed, like just in my skin it is, the product is. On this side, you can tell it's just sitting on top of there, which was causing the flakiness that I was having such a problem with. Like, I remember just months ago thinking, why is my makeup so flaky? And that's why. It just wasn't getting in.
You shall not pass!
I mean, granted, I wasn't using primer before this. I wasn't using any of that before this. But now that I am, it's so much better. I just can't believe it. Anyway, I know that may not seem like a huge difference, but to me, whose makeup, like this side was flaking off by noon, and I just looked like a giant, I was just so flaky. And I know, Eve, I can hear you. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to continue. I just wanted to show you guys this because to me, this seems like pretty crazy difference. So anyway, some of the feedback that I also got was very positive. I had several people be like, did you do something with your hair? I'm like, no, not the hair. And then my mentor, she said, she was like, she stopped in her tracks and turned around in the hallway and was like, she's like, Monica, your makeup looks so good today. And I was like, huh, thank you. And I felt really good that day. So I am seeing pretty positive results from the differences that I have done. If you guys haven't checked out the first portion of the video and kind of like an overview of how I'm achieving this look kind of more with an eyeshadow than an eyeliner, that is posted here in part 1. So I'll go ahead and post that here. If you'll just click that, you'll go right to it if you're interested. Also thinking that my next video, my next makeup video is going to be a St. Patty's Day video. That should be released here pretty soon because I kind of fell out of schedule with the whole Vegas trip. I obviously, you know, need to be better at planning ahead with these things. So that's probably gonna come out tomorrow if I can manage it. I really want to get it out obviously before Tuesday so people can actually like look at it. So anyway, Please let me know if you guys think there is a drastic difference between these two looks. I do, and that's just my personal opinion. But I also think that just like the small differences have really made a difference. I just think I have more like confidence at work, which is more important to me than anything else, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye to this look that I've literally had forever, guys, like forever. I just like eyeliner and mascara and hope I didn't get any breakouts or anything like that. That's what I've been doing for a really long time, and I just decided it was time for a change. So I'm really liking this look, and obviously it's not perfect, but I do think it's more flattering for my eye shape. I do have hooded eyes. I think I'm going to try to relax my face, but you can see it. I mean, I was always curious as to why eyeshadow never looked good on me. I could never get eyeshadow to look good on me. So mad all the time, seriously. And I think that's one of the reasons why I stuck with the eyeliner, because I just couldn't figure out how to get the eyeshadow to not disappear when I put it on. Like when I'm doing this, oh yeah, you can see it, but honestly I'm not gonna look like that all day. My normal expression is this. So that being said, one of the things for hooded eyes that is so good is like a really good like cut crease where you can raise the actual lid and you don't have that hooded effect, and you have that extra space essentially to put more eyeshadow and be more creative. So that's what I'm working on personally. That's my goals for the next month. I'm gonna try to do the cut crease for the St. Patty's Day look that I have prepared. And also I actually did create a kind of like a cool tone smoky eye in Vegas. So here is a picture of that. If you guys ended up liking it, please let me know, and I would be more than happy to do a video about that as well. Cool tones just naturally look better on my skin. I don't have warm undertones, so it's just not like golds, yellows, reds. Some reds, like the really warm colors, can not look super flattering on me. But that being said, I still want to branch out and try new things. So thank you guys for tuning in. Seriously, if you have any comments or anything on how I could make this better experience for everyone, let me know. And I am trying to constantly improve this whole process. This is completely new to me, but I am having a lot of fun with it. So I will hear and see from you guys later. Time to wash it off, go to the grocery store, get groceries, get ready for the coming week, and start planning for the next video. And oh my god, I look like Two-Face right now. This is insane. All right. Love y'all. Bye.